Hello, my name's Eva. I'm a patient here at Swiss Dental. A couple of years ago, I was very, very sick and my teeth started falling out in chunks. And I became very concerned about the quality of my life. I'm 65 years old, on into my older age. So I came to Swiss Dental out of curiosity, what could they do? And I was so impressed with the options that I had. There were several things that were possible and I got to choose. And I was impressed with the people and the quality of my life now that my teeth are finished. I feel confident speaking and manipulating in the world, maneuvering in the world. I am impressed with the kindness and directness and how easy it was to get everything finished. And now I have the beautiful smile that I always dreamed of.